Why does your scanner show the P042F engine code? What does it mean? P042F is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation. A. Control stuck closed. It indicates that the PCM has detected a problem with the EGR valve control system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Stuck or faulty EGR valve. EGR system clogging. Faulty EGR solenoid or actuator. Damaged or disconnected wiring. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Hyundai, Volkswagen, BMW, Toyota, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.